You know, I never usually do like a day in the life or take you on a full like 24 hours of me fully using a device, especially when I first get it. So we starting off with 99% battery. I just took it off because we open up to tech creators, you know what I'm saying? We open up to the work, baby, let's go. My boy is up in the morning with his laptop. Let's you know what I mean? What up, JC?
What's up, man? I'm tired.
All right, like I told you guys earlier, real day in the life, we outside in London, as you guys can see. It's packed. You know, I gotta be on point too. You gotta make sure, you know, you get your pockets in line and everything, but I'm gonna do my best to create as much content for you guys. All right, so we're about 2 hours in from the first pickup, and we're at 89% battery. Started it at 99, we already lost 10%. No big deal. I've been shooting a lot of photos, a lot of videos, playing with some of the features and things like that, so we are really using this device. I mean, look at the vibes. Like, how could I not snap a lot of photos and videos? And I'm shooting this all in log. We pushing this thing all the way. So we're gonna see how this battery holds up. I already see how the cameras are delivering. I see the processor and I see the overall just like user experience handling this and whatnot. Easy go-to, easy go-to. Literally the confidence I have holding this thing due to the lightness and the form factor, top tier. I have been waiting for this and I'm happy. And it's here, baby. So I'll get back up with you guys, get you guys some photos, some video, and some vibes. 4-day thoughts off the top.
Yo, this is the vlog camera right here, just like this. Just like this.
Vlogging.
Yeah.
What you love most about it, man? What you notice instantly?
Instantly, it feels good in the hand.
100,000.
Easily, this is Anime Central right here.
100,000. And they get you away from your privacy display on your S26.
I don't know, man. I got the privacy on.
There's ravens here.
Don't get bit by a raven.
They also have good memory too.
So today we're about to go get something to eat at Borough Market out here.
I'm hungry.
I am too as well. But man, this thing is cooking so far. It's so convenient to just carry. I don't even feel any hassle, any bulk in my pocket, or nothing like that. And that's
easy.
That's the sweet spot. It's easy to use. Here, I just saw a little Lotus on the side of the road. You know, I'm a car guy. I had to get a flick for that. There's a lot of nice cars out here. I got you guys. Matter of fact, if you love cars, enjoy. All right, 76%, and we are at what 4 p.m. of the day, pretty much our last stop before it ended up like the 8-hour day. Neither here nor there. The Z Fold 8 battery, bang. If this form factor is the form factor for you, this is the one for you. If you prefer the Ultra form factor, obviously that's the one for you. If you're curious about this one and you don't want to ruin your love for your traditional Z Fold, don't touch it, don't use it, don't handle it, because it will. On our way up to the top of this spot, I'm finna give y'all a view, you know what I mean? I've been giving y'all plenty of views of this camera because this entire video has been shot on this phone. Let's talk about the features. Let's talk about the reality of this. But first, so, thus far, the best way that I can describe it at this point is it feels natural. It feels right. It feels like this is where this device is supposed to be. Now again, this device sits on the side of others. If you don't care about it, I don't need to hear about it. All right, day is coming to an end. We're at 10 p.m., you guys, because if you don't know, over here it does not get dark until 10 p.m. And at 10 p.m., I still have essentially 50% of battery left. Now, of course, that's going to vary differently amongst different users and different use cases. Today was heavy for me in the terms of video. I shot a lot of log video nonstop and a lot of photography. Not so much on the phone, not so much video chatting, not so much. But I was replying to comments and everything while I was on the bus ride. I did a lot of different things, typical use cases with this device, and I'm still with a decent amount of battery. Again, you cannot judge battery off of 1 day, 2 days, a week, or 2 weeks. What really are the true staples you guys go by as to whether a smartphone device like checks off like the legitimate marks for you? It's actually been relatively surprising how well this device has just from day one, from minute one, just flowed. It's like a flow state with this thing. Camera solid, battery solid, screens are obviously solid, delivery solid, performance solid, form factor, cherry on top. Guess what? I can tell you right now with ultimate 100% confidence. I already know what my dailies are gonna be. I will be running the Z Fold 8, and for right now, it'll be the iPhone Air until that iPhone folds.